Hey everyone! If you are trying to build your own online course with lessons, quizzes, and you don't want to spend money right away, you are going to love this. Today I am going to show you a plugin called Fox LMS, the free version of it, that lets you create full and advanced courses right inside your WordPress site. And the best part, it works perfectly with another plugin called QuizMaker. So let me show you what you can build with it. So let's enroll in this course. Here you see that we can also integrate a YouTube video in this course. Also you can attach images. There's a quiz also in it that I mentioned before. Let's pass the quiz together. And now let me show you how you can create a similar advanced course with quizzes, YouTube videos, images, and everything totally free. Let's see how it actually works behind the scenes. Firstly, you should install Fox LMS plugin. We click this Add Plugin button, then we search Fox LMS. We install it. And then activate it. So here it is appeared. In order to add courses, we should add new button, write name, for example graphic design for beginners. We save it. And then we go to lessons to add lessons. Add post. So here we can attach an image. We can upload it from our computer. And also make sure that the image is full size in order to provide high quality. Then also we can integrate here a YouTube video. Just simply we click to share and copy it. And the video appears here. Then we will create another lesson together. And the course is ready. And now we should also integrate a quiz to this course. To do so, we go to quizzes and install this QuizMaker plugin. It's a perfect QuizMaker plugin. So now we will look what it gives us. So you see that the QuizMaker plugin is here. By default, it added a mathematics quiz. You see here, in order to see how it looks like. So now we will add ours. We click to this Add New button. And now we should add questions. We click to insert questions button, then create question, and from here create the quiz. You can choose from here the question type, whether it is radio, checkbox, drop down, text, etc. So now we go to course. And we add quiz from here. And you see the course is fully ready. So you can also add another section here. From here you can, from details, you can write any description you want. Add course duration. Then from settings you can upload course image, let's upload it together. For example, this one, select it, you can click to view post, and here our post is. And now, if you are an instructor, I have good news for you. You can register as an instructor and make your own courses with Fox LMS WordPress plugin. So let's click on this Instructor Registration. And also know that only after the approval of the admin, the instructor can create courses. So now let's navigate to admin's backend to approve the registration of the instructor. So we click on these instructors and then approve. Here you can see that the status has changed to approved and the role to Fox instructor. Here you can see the email of the instructor and name of the instructor. Now the instructors can log into the dashboard and create courses on their own. Let's also check the student part, and let's navigate to the front end to create an account as a student. So you see this user registration. And that was all about FoxLMS WordPress plugin free version. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.